What are the reactions of Grignard reagent? In Grignard reagent, one equivalent of alkyl halide will react with one equivalent of magnesium in order to produce RMgX or Grignard reagent. In Grignard reagent, your solvent should be dry and aprotic. Also, it is very important. And also in Grignard reagent synthesis, the alkyl halide has different conditions. For example, iodide is better than bromide and bromide is better than chloride. It is the order of halides in order to react with magnesium. In order to find out all of the details of Grignard reaction, please see the full video, which its link is in the caption. If you like this video, please like it.